Hi there. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram is not adding stories to highlight. So there are a few methods that you can try to resolve this issue. So let's start with the first one. The first thing you can do is to go to your app store and make sure that your Instagram is up to date. If it's not, you will have the option to update it there. So click on it and wait until it's updated. Once it is, go to Instagram and see if the problem is resolved. If not, move to the next method, which is go to settings and then general and then software update. Make sure that your phone is up to date. If it is, you won't have the option to update it. If it's not, you will have that option, so update it and go to Instagram. The next method is to remove Instagram and reinstall it. Once you reinstall it, go to Instagram and see if the problem is resolved. If not, you can try to disconnect your Wi-Fi and reconnect it again. Make sure that there are no issues with your Wi-Fi connection and check again. So the next thing you can do is to contact Instagram support if none of the methods helped you to resolve the issue. Go to Instagram, click on the menu, click on settings and privacy, and then scroll down until you find help. Click on it and then report a problem. Click on that and then basically click on include and continue, and here you will only need to explain your problem. Click on send and wait for Instagram team to get back to you.